Kidney beans are not just beans. They are infrastructure. Quiet, affordable, shelf-stable protein that crossed continents, fed civilizations, and shaped everyday cooking more than most people realize. Botanically, kidney beans are Phaseolus vulgaris, the same species as black beans, pinto beans, and navy beans. What separates kidney beans is not genetics alone, but selection. Their shape, size, and density are optimized for endurance. The name, kidney bean, comes from its shape. Curved, firm, and symmetrical, it resembles a human kidney. But this visual identity is secondary to its function. Kidney beans originated in Central America and the Andean regions of South America. Long before global trade, indigenous cultures domesticated them as part of a nutritional triangle alongside maize and squash. Together, these crops created balanced diets. When Europeans encountered kidney beans after the Columbian exchange, they spread rapidly. Beans could survive long journeys. They stored well. They fed people cheaply. That combination changed food systems. Texture defines kidney beans. When properly cooked, they are creamy inside with a firm skin that holds structure. They do not collapse easily. They remain distinct in stews, soups, and mixed dishes. Flavor-wise, kidney beans are neutral but grounding. Earthy, slightly sweet, and deeply savory when seasoned. They absorb surrounding flavors without disappearing. This is why they dominate slow-cooked dishes. Kidney beans are built for patience. They require soaking and long cooking. This is not inconvenience. It is transformation. Time unlocks digestibility, safety, and texture. This matters because raw or undercooked kidney beans contain phytohemagglutinin, a natural lectin that can cause severe digestive distress. This compound is neutralized by proper boiling. Cooking is not optional. It is essential. Once cooked, kidney beans are safe, nourishing, and powerful. Nutritionally, kidney beans are dense. They provide plant-based protein, complex carbohydrates, and dietary fiber in meaningful amounts. This combination supports muscle maintenance, digestion, and stable energy levels. They are rich in folate, iron, magnesium, potassium, and manganese. Their fiber content supports gut health and cholesterol regulation. Their low glycemic index helps stabilize blood sugar. Kidney beans are also naturally low in fat and cholesterol-free. This makes them foundational in heart-conscious diets around the world. Culturally, kidney beans are everywhere. In India, they become rajma, slow-cooked with spices and tomatoes. In the Caribbean, they appear with rice and coconut. In Latin America, they anchor soups and stews. In the United States, they are inseparable from chili. These are not decorative roles. Kidney beans provide substance. They turn dishes into meals. Agriculturally, kidney beans are efficient. As legumes, they fix nitrogen in the soil, improving fertility for future crops. This makes them essential in sustainable farming systems. They grow in diverse climates, from temperate zones to tropical regions. Their adaptability is part of the dominance. Visually, kidney beans are confident. Deep red, glossy when cooked, unmistakable in shape. This visual weight reinforces the culinary presence. In modern nutrition trends, kidney beans often get overshadowed by newer plant proteins. This is marketing, not merit. Few foods deliver as much nutrition, affordability, and versatility with such low environmental cost. The biggest mistake with kidney beans is rushing them. Shortcuts compromise texture and safety. When respected, they reward the cook with richness and satisfaction. Kidney beans do not chase attention. They do not pretend to be exotic. They do not need reinvention. They endure. They nourish. They stabilize. Kidney beans are proof that the most powerful foods are often the most ordinary-looking ones.